To begin with, an E-TRADE Rollover IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to transfer funds from a previous employer-sponsored retirement plan such as a 401k or 403b into an individual retirement account. This can be a great way to consolidate your retirement savings and gain more control over your investments. First, you need to determine if you are eligible for a rollover IRA. Typically, you are eligible if you have left your job, been laid off, or retired from your previous employer. You can roll over funds from a 401k, 403b, or other qualified employer-sponsored plans into an E-TRADE Rollover IRA. The next step is to open an E-TRADE Rollover IRA account. You can do this online or by contacting E-TRADE directly. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to fund your account, which can be done by transferring funds from your previous employer-sponsored plan. When transferring funds, you have two options: a direct rollover or an indirect rollover. A direct rollover is when the funds are transferred directly from your previous employer-sponsored plan to your E-TRADE Rollover IRA. This is the recommended option as it avoids any potential taxes or penalties. An indirect rollover is when you receive a check for the funds and then deposit them into your E-TRADE Rollover IRA. This option may be subject to taxes and penalties if not done correctly. It is also important to consider the investment options for your E-TRADE Rollover IRA. E-TRADE offers a wide range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. You can choose to invest in a single product or diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple products. In addition, you should consider the fees associated with an E-TRADE Rollover IRA. E-TRADE charges various fees, including management fees, trading fees, and maintenance fees. It is essential to understand these fees and how they may impact your investment returns. Finally, it is crucial to consult with a financial advisor or tax professional to ensure that you are making the best decisions for your individual circumstances. They can help you navigate the rollover process and provide guidance on investment options and fees. In conclusion, an E-TRADE Rollover IRA can be a great way to consolidate your retirement savings and gain more control over your investments. By following these steps and considering the key concepts and best practices outlined, you can make an informed decision about your retirement savings and create a secure financial future.